Chapter 23 Comprehension. Read the passage given below. People who are overconscious of their body sometimes decide to starve to bring down their body weight. Even children shrink away from food, thinking that they might become overweight. But you must know that starvation does not at all help reduce weight. Rather, as soon as you stop starving, you will start gaining weight. During a starvation diet, the body slows down its metabolism to conserve energy. Without sufficient glucose from food for your brain's functioning, you will experience mental fatigue, inability to concentrate, irritability, headaches, confusion. As your muscles won't get enough fuel to work on, you'll feel like fainting, unstable, and weak. When you deprive your body of sustenance, it uses your fat and muscles for nutrients. If you are working on every muscle group, your body will consume all the water and the excess fat in your body. If you are not exercising every major muscle group, your body will use a combination of fat and muscles to keep going. You will feel extremely tired, and slow starving can have serious consequences on your body. Read the passage given below. Have you ever wondered how many feathers does a bird have? The answer is simple. The bigger a bird is, the more feathers it has on its body. A hummingbird has 900, while a swan has 25,000 or even more. Feathers come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. They are so strikingly beautiful that a person is just tempted to pick them up. The soft, silky, and velvety feathers keep the bird warm. Others keep it waterproof in the rain, and the big and strong feathers give it the strength to fly. Feathers of a bird are frequently used and wear out. These are replaced by a set of new ones almost every year. As the new ones grow, the old one slowly falls. This process is called molding. The feathers are used by human beings in various ways. They are used in pillows and caps. Before the invention of pens, people wrote with large feathers with pointed ends called quills. Even today, in Panama, in Central America, hunters use bright feathers for headgears. The zoos and bird sanctuaries all over the world collect the molded feathers. They send them to Panama because there is no point in hunting birds for feathers. It's a wise step to save the birds from being killed for the sake of headgears. Don't you agree? Read the passage given below. Penguins are a group of aquatic, flightless birds living mostly in Antarctica. Penguins have dark and white feathers. They have flippers for movement in water. Most penguins feed on fish, squid, and other forms of sea life caught while swimming underwater. They spend half of their life on land and half in the oceans. Emperor penguins are the largest living species, and the blue and fairy penguins are the smallest species. Most of the penguin species live in large colonies. Penguins are not afraid of human beings. This probably because penguins have no land enemy in Antarctica. Instead, they are at a risk in sea from sharks and leopard seals. Option: leopard seal. In 1986, Silvio Mazzola created a famous penguin cartoon character named Pingu. Read the passage given below. Kolkata, 27 March. Metro services were disrupted today, causing great inconvenience to the commuters. The driver of a pilot train running between Kavi Subhas and Damdam metro stations spotted a wire hanging from the ceiling of the tunnel at the central metro station around 1:30 p.m. Metro services on both up and down lines were suspended immediately, and experts were called to repair the wire. The services remained suspended for about 1.5 hours. Services resumed at 3:30 p.m. Usually metro services start at 10 a.m. on Sunday. While the repair work was on, Metro services were normal between Damdam and Girish Park metro stations and Medan and Kavi Subhas metro stations, said a spokesperson of the Metro Railway. Metro services were disrupted again about 20 minutes after a fire that sparked off due to a short circuit in an AC rake at Belgachia metro station around 4:30 p.m. Read the passage given below. The food we eat not only tastes good, but helps our body in giving energy. All foods contain three main nutrients: carbohydrates, fat, and protein. The remaining parts of food include fiber, minerals, vitamins, and water. Carbohydrates forms a major part of Indian diets. They are composed of sugar. Carbohydrates are commonly found in rice, bread, grains, vegetables, and various sugary foods. Fat can be found in animal, meat, butter, nuts, and oils. Proteins can be found in meat, eggs, poultry, dairy products, and different plant products. Protein is made up of amino acids. Amino acids are used to maintain the body's bones, muscles, and various organs. The wind and the leaves. "Come, little leaves," said the wind one day. "Come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is gone and the days grow cold." Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering, one and all. O'er the brown field then they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and whirling, the little leaves went. Winter had called them, and they were content. Soon fast asleep, on their earthy beds, the snow laid a coverlet over their heads.